Hi lovelies, welcome back. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you how I made this delicious, amazing, healthy lettuce salad. So keep watching, let's get started. Here I have avocado filled with a lot of vitamin. Next, I have fresh tomato. It's good for the skin. Next, I have orange red bell pepper filled with a lot of vitamins. I have cucumber, hydrates the body. Mango are rich in iron. Next, I have honey for sweetener. Next, I have lettuce salad is an excellent source of vitamin K. So the next step, I'm going off camera to give them a properly wash, cut it to my desired shape or size. As you can see, I'm done prepping them. For the dressing, we are going to be needing olive oil, black pepper, and salt. Next, we have one orange. Orange has a lot of nutrients that keep the body healthy. So the next step is to squeeze out the lemon juice. Done extracting the orange juice. Now I poured it into my mixing jug, added salt, black pepper, olive oil. For sweetener, I added some honey. So sorry I was not able to capture that part. My phone went off. Whisk everything until it is well mixed. And we are done prepping them, both the dressing. So the next step is to mix everything together. You pour everything together, yeah? Please, if today is your first day of coming across this video, this page, a warm welcome to you. And please don't forget to follow this page, like, share, and comment to be notified whenever I upload a new video. And to my returning subscribers, a very big thank you. I so much appreciate. And look at how colorful it looks. And we are done adding in the fruits, the vegetables. So the next step now to add in the dressing. Once we are done with the dressing, we mix everything together. And we are done. Look at how colorful, nice, tantalizing this lettuce salad looks. It tasted so super delicious and yummylicious, guys. Always remember, health is wealth. Eating healthy is the best medication you can give to your body. Thank you so much for watching.